Good evening. How are you? I'm fine. This is Jennifer. You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Yes. So what I'm going to do right now is this. It's drizzling right now. It's like it wants to rain. It may rain tonight, actually. So I'm going to fold this carpet here. This is our compound carpet, like that. That's where it ends up to the chairs, up to there, to the kitchen door, and then here we are, and here. So here, this is where, when it rains, water passes from here, from this door here, and down. And when the rainwater wets the carpet, it gets spoiled. So that's the reason as to why I'm going to fold it now. Yes. So let me do that. Let's do that together. So I'm folding it to avoid it from getting wet. Yeah. So here we go. It's not okay. It's not proper. It has to be matching actually. I didn't make it well. So that is it. I have clean here. It's all dusty. So I'm going to sweep the whole of this dust here. So that's when I go to the kitchen. The kitchen doesn't get dirty. Yes. So let's clean. So here we are. We're going to begin cleaning here. I'm going to sweep it with this. I'm starting from up here like this. Yeah. So reduce the dust that was under the carpet. Like that. Up to down. I'm taking the rubbish down. This. I'm gathering all the rubbish down there. So I'm still continuing. Yes, here we go. Like that. Oh my, so dusty. I don't want this dust to enter inside, so I have to close the door here. So that the dust does not enter inside the main house. Like that. Hope I'm still visible. Yes. Okay. The final bit of it. Here we are. We're done. Yes. We are done with sweeping. Yeah. we're done. Just need to collect this. Yeah. This one here. That's all for today. For tonight, you can easily see. Let me put it down here. So this is it. Yeah, we're done. Well done, Jennifer. Bye.